it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I wanted to take a moment and let you guys know about our Black Friday sale coming up. And I also wanted to say how thankful I am for each and every one of you guys. Your support has meant the world to me, and I wish you a happy and wonderful Thanksgiving. I wanted to give you a heads up about our Black Friday sale coming up. I was thinking about kicking off the sale Thanksgiving evening. We're going to have Thanksgiving at our in-laws, so if I get home, after I get home, I'll probably get that coupon live and then send out the email for those of you on my email list for early access. Otherwise, the code will go live on Friday, and your code will be Black Friday. So if you want to get on my email list, I'll have the link in the description box for you. This super cute stamp set will be your free with 60, or you could purchase this individually. This is called Cup Full of Cheer. It's so adorable. These cute little critters inside these holiday mugs. So we have a little mouse in a cup of hot chocolate, and then we have a little bunny in a cup of apple cider. We have some individual marshmallows that you can kind of stamp on the ground. We have a candy cane and a cute little gingerbread. There's some steam you can stamp over the top of your mug. We have the sentiments, warm and fuzzy wishes, sending warm hugs, and stay cozy. So such a cute little stamp. So I will have the Black Friday sale going through Sunday. It will kick off later Thanksgiving Day and run through Sunday. You'll be able to get 25% off your purchase. There will be some excluded items like the brand new releases that we just had, like the sticker book, Teresa's One and Done die, and Lynn's new die and stamp set, and the Gingy Time paper and ephemera. But everything else will be 25% off. So it's a great time to stock up on all your favorite paper pads and ephemera packs. Get those stamps you've been eyeing. This is like one of our biggest sales of the year. So I'm going to color up this cute little image for you guys and play a little bit of music, and I will catch you at the end. Be sure to check out our Black Friday grab bags. Those are always a hit every year. I've created 2 different listings. One that includes like stamps, dies, paper, ephemera, maybe a stencil. And then the other one just includes Not Too Shabby paper products. So you'll get paper pads and ephemera. So those are so great if you are new to Not Too Shabby. And this is a great way to dip your feet in and check out our products at an unbelievable price. So I'll have those links in the description box for you. The grab bags are also great if you're looking for prizes for your YouTube channel, or gifts for your crafty friends, or if you're looking to build your stash. Also, check out our daily deal. I'm going to have something special for Black Friday. So check that out. I will have that link in the description box for you as well. And if you love this cute little stamp set that I'm coloring, you could also pick that up individually or earn it as a free gift with your $60 purchase. So it's only while supplies last. So be sure to get your order in early if you really want this stamp set. I just had a blast creating this card. I can't wait for you to see the card, so stick around to the end.
Clap your hands as the snow's coming down. There's a sweet little scent all over town. Cocoa steaming, bells in rhyme. You know what that means. It's Gingy time. Oh, oh. Frost on the window, sparkle and shine. Paper pads stacked in a candy line. Ephemera's ready, the coffee's brewed. We've got some crafty holiday mood. Glitter and gumdrops, ribbons and twine. Cut and layer, it's design time. A not too shabby holiday scene where gingerbread dreams meet.
After I have all my images cut out, I like to take a Memento dual marker and use the brush tip side and go around my image.
It's Gingy time. Oh, Gingy time. From the coffee house to your crafty space, smiles and cocoa all over the place. So grab your mug, it's holiday prime. Let's go, let's go. It's Gingy time.
I'm going to take a sheet from the Gingy Time paper pad. It's got these really cute gingerbread cookies on there. And I'm going to do about 2.5 inches by 4 inches. This is going to go on the bottom half of my card, and then on the top I'm going to make this really cute scene with the stamp set. I've embossed a sheet of white paper, so you can see there's some embossing on there just for some fun texture. This will have a slight border. We'll add this to the bottom. And then to separate it, I'm just going to put a peel-off strip across. I'm going to use a banner for our sentiment. This is a banner from Teresa's One and Done sentiment die. So her die looks like this. You can cut a bunch of strips out at one time. This is available in the shop. It is selling fast. This is a new release, so it's not included in your Black Friday discount. I can go with the warm and fuzzy wishes or the sending warm hugs. Let's do warm and fuzzy wishes. Since I can't find my stickles, I do have one of these brushes that has the glitter. So I'm going to just add a little bit of glitter to the heart and our little marshmallows here. And then we'll add some to these little marshmallows. We're going to make a cute little scene. So we're going to have our two cuties right there, front and center. I'm just going to add a little bit of liquid glue to hold them down. Kind of layer these two together. We'll use a magnet to hold that one down while we glue the other one. And then we've got our cute little gingerbread. I'm going to get some small little pop dots. We're going to pop up our gingerbread and our sentiment. Okay, so I have some foam tape here. We'll get that centered. Okay, so now let's glue down our little peppermint sticks. I wanted the gingerbread to look like they were holding the little peppermint sticks. And then I have a couple of pop dots behind him. And then this one in the middle will not have a peppermint stick. And then our marshmallows have pop dots. Okay, and now I want to grab some enamel dots. From the Rustic Blossoms enamel dots, there's this pretty green that matches really nicely. We'll use that. Okay, I think I like it like that. All right, so let's take a closer look at the card. I think this stamp set is so adorable. So it is available for purchase, or you can earn it as a free gift with your $60 purchase. You'll see it pop into your cart once your order qualifies, and it's while supplies last. Don't forget, we have some Black Friday grab bags that are available with limited quantities. Please be aware, if you are purchasing more than one grab bag, there may be some duplicates. and you may have some of the items that are in the grab bag if you are a frequent shopper of Not Too Shabby, but they do make great gifts. They make great stocking stuffers. They make great prizes for your YouTube channel. If you're doing Happy Mail or if you're having some kind of event and you need door prizes, the grab bags are the way to go. You get a bunch of product in there marked down 50 to 75% off, and it's a fun little surprise to open up too. It's a great gift for yourself. If you're new to Not Too Shabby and you want to try our products, that is a great way to dip your toes in. Here's some other cards that I created with the Gingy Time paper pad and ephemera. Love creating with this collection. This collection is not part of the Black Friday coupon code, but it's a great paper to grab while it's in stock. So thanks so much for supporting us this year. We really do appreciate you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Hit that bell for notifications and click that subscribe button to see more. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.